Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a video to your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, to add a video, what you first need is, of course, a video you want to add. You can either copy a link to embed it, or you can have it on your device. Doesn't really matter, but once you have your video, you need to go into Appearance and then go into the editor. Once you're in the editor, you're going to go to the page you want to add the video to. So let's just go over here, and this is my homepage, so I'm just going to be using this. You can, by the way, also use the pages menu to select the page manually that you want to actually, edit. So I'll just delete all of this for now, since I don't need any of this. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus to add a block, and we're going to search for video. And as you can see, we have a video here, so you can just embed the video that you want. So let's just go over here and drag it over there. And you do need to have premium to unlock this block, since it is not a free embed. However, here, as you can see, you can upload it, select it from your computer or whatever device you're using, and just upload the file, or you can insert it from the URL, or if you have it in your media library on your site, you can use it from here. You also have YouTube embeds, which you can use for free. Just embed the URL over here, as well as Vimeo embeds and TikTok embeds as well, which you can use freely. Just copy the links, embed them here, and that should be all there is to do. And that's pretty much all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.